You guys want tea?
Yeah.
Yes, please. I need this forever. And this has two things that I normally do not like: cheese and tomatoes, but still.
Yeah, you usually hate cheese.
Butter.
Butter. Yeah, I like butter. What you like? Wait, you don't like tomato? So why are you eating it?
I haven't felt like it. No, it's a sandwich. And the sandwich with tomato is so nice.
The tomato. You only eat this and nothing else.
It's just like milk.
No, no one.
You have to stir it.
I'm gonna throw a lot.
And you have to put, what's it called? I have a milk inside.
No, you don't have to put milk. It's already milk.
Yeah, it's not nice.
That's not how we made it last time.
That's how you finish my thing. It's so expensive.
No, but just put the same
Oh,
amount,
it's
just
so
milk.
nice.
It's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Is it better than Mummy's? And yours?
Because they are not professional.
Oh. Why are you just sitting there stirring it?
You can't get it all that.
So that can be white. This is the white chocolate.
Chocolate comes from cocoa beans.
Yeah, I know that. It was like 2 hours or something. If you
But they started watching it at like 6.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, they have to talk. Hi guys. Yeah.
Are you sure that autofocus is working before you go and
Yeah,
play
I've done
yourself?
the autofocus thing.
Before you go and play yourself.
Guys, came to shoot.
Hello, Chia family friends. How are you all doing today? Your favorite girl, you know, after watching my weight, doing exercise, and how to eat. You know, you cannot do exercise without, you know, eating. So this is me eating this small portion, very small portion. Okay, okay, chef, what's up? How you doing?
Mikey, please can you get me the kettle, please?
Why are you asking children to do your work? Do work for you.
Yeah, that's how we are.
Why? Why are you asking children? That is child labor.
No, we are.
Giving children to get cup for you child labor.
What kind of child labor
You
is
should do
that?
your work yourself.
What kind of child labor is
Look,
that?
guys,
Thank you.
a small boy is bringing teacup.
That's how you have to train your kids for them
Child
to be,
labor.
for them to be
Children
able.
are not supposed to do anything.
Nah, train your child.
Napa,
It's
why is
called
nobody
training.
here? Napa, why are you
That
here?
boy, we don't want to hear.
Napa, why are you eating? Napa, what did
That
you
boy
eat?
is not want to hear.
That's it. Eat.
What did you eat?
Eat.
That's Michael
Shishi,
behind.
do you want sugar?
I'm
Yes,
gonna eat
please.
Do you want milk?
Yes, please. That's Michael behind, guys. Michael is studying. Okay, these boys are homeschooling. Okay, they are doing their work online. Go on the computer.
Yeah, serious. We are doing something.
Try for.
Yeah, the boy continue going to your job. But you have to go and get the kettle because you don't want to do your work.
No.
That's the idea.
Zapo, go on the computer. Go and do your work. Guys, this boy is so
Oh, yeah,
cheeky.
I'm not going to tell you again.
We're not playing with you. Go and do your work. Everyone has to sign on online and do their work. So they are homeschooling. Okay?
Okay, guys, the boys are homeschooling. Then me and Chichi are home working.
Home working.
It's working. We are working. Guys, are we not working? Are we playing here? Who is playing here? Okay, guys, today I make this lovely.
I'm the one working. Guys, guess what? Yeah, I've done 2 YouTube intro. This is why I'm looking cute. You see me? I don't look cute like this every other day. But I've done 2 YouTube intro for my makeup channel. By the way, some people don't know I have a makeup channel, you know.
Seriously?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
You are missing, guys.
If you don't know my makeup channel, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna link it down below.
Guys, you are missing. You better check her out.
Yeah, if you want to make popping.
Okay, today we are having this sandwich.
Why am I looking cute more than you? Look at my toes. Shining.
This is a designer, you know.
But it's white. My one is colorful.
Okay.
You did not put enough sugar.
Why? Sugar is too much.
Did you put sugar at all?
Wow.
Chocolate.
You have to put sugar and milk.
No, no.
You know, we exercise. People like us that exercise have to eat
Wow.
enough protein.
Wow.
People like us.
But people like you.
That's exercise.
Wait, when we get more protein, actually you put sugar.
Okay, I'm making this sandwich. It's kind of very easy. Yeah, do you know what? I forget one. There's one get tomato and this one didn't have tomato. Then I got half of the one that got tomato and half without tomato.
Why?
Because I forget that I have to put tomato in someone.
You cheated me.
I not cheat you. Got half. I got half. This is with
No.
tomato and that.
That's cheating.
Guys, look at it. Is it not nice?
No, you cheat. Don't even say nice when you
No,
cheat.
this one is tomato. Then this one haven't got tomato.
How come I own that?
See the color, guys.
Mine don't look funny though.
Why?
Can I
Do you want that? Do you want this one?
No, take it.
Because I don't think about me and you thought.
That is nice, isn't it? Okay, guys, this is very easy to make. You can just check down below and say.
Yeah.
Tomato one is there.
Yeah.
Gigi, you're gonna kill me.
What happened?
Seriously, you're gonna kill me.
What happened?
I need to write down obituary
Why?
because I've done something. This time of confession, I've done something terrible to you.
What?
I've cheated on you.
You cheated. You cheated on me.
I've cheated on you.
You see, Michael is laughing. Michael knows it's funny.
Why?
Michael knows it's very funny because
Why?
you're gonna die.
I've cheated on you.
Michael died.
I'm sorry. I'm just saying. I'm sorry. We are all humans. We just have to accept that. Sometimes you see something it's too tempting, you can't even.
What kind of cheating is that? What kind of category?
Just. I don't know. I can't sleep.
No. You have to tell me
I can't sleep.
in details.
That I'm saying I can't sleep, but it's not my fault. I'm just human like every other man
So,
can do.
okay.
It's what every man will do. Then that's what I just have to do.
You know me, when I'm angry, I laugh.
I know that is the worst part of you.
When I'm angry, I'm laugh because you know why? I'm gonna show you. You're gonna pay.
Do you have gun in this house? Michael, have you seen your mom with gun before?
Michael knows. When I went
Did you say yes?
I said no.
to, you know when I went to Dubai.
Yes.
You know when I do the Dubai prank, I didn't go. Dubai prank, I was laughing, but you know, you suffer for it for a week.
Right.
That's me, guys. I will laugh. If you catch me on the road, see me on the road, abuse me, I'll just laugh.
But she,
Because I know,
this is serious.
I will deal with you.
This is serious. Seriously, this is serious. You're not taking it serious.
I never take anything serious in my
I
life.
know, that is the problem you have.
Because I know, payback time.
It's worst.
I like payback. It's just nice.
Is this going to be my last meal, guys? Is this going to be my last meal?
You have to confess your sins from the beginning.
Do you know what? I wake up this morning. I call you to come and eat. You are so busy. Editing. I finished my own editing. Then I've got nothing to do. I was jobless. I've been quarantined alone. We both quarantine together every night. But this morning you are not there for me. But what did I have to do? I have to go and watch the movie.
You have to ask.
You watch the movie. That is all the movie I was supposed to watch, that you watched it.
I watched it too. I watched season up to. I watched first season. Now.
And he spoiled it for her. Spoiled it.
Seriously?
Seriously, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Do you know the best part of it? The doctor, the professor.
Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me.
No, I have to tell you.
No, speak to yourself. No,
I have to tell you.
You ruin it for me.
Yeah, I want to ruin it for you.
know.
That is the best part of
No.
watching movie alone.
Don't tell me.
The professor.
No, don't tell me, don't tell
The
me.
professor sent the.
Cheater, cheater.
The professor.
Don't tell me.
Yes. Let me go in. Yeah.
You tell me I'm not putting everything on your head. All the fruits is not be on your head. Don't tell me. Thank you. You've already ruined it. Now you're gonna tell me.
But that's
don't
the
tell me.
best part of it. That's the best part of watching the movie.
No.
I don't know what part of the movie do you
Let's
understand.
go and continue watching it after.
Right, so we're not going to start from where we can't start from the beginning.
Right?
Because I watched it. What is going to be made?
I don't care. You ruin it for yourself there. Don't tell me.
I have to tell you.
No.
Anyway, you don't even know how to watch movie anyway.
Was she just asking questions?
That question.
Oh yeah, I just heard that.
Is it
Yeah,
she's like, why is this happening?
Why did this happen? Without even start the movie, you're going to ask me.
As well, so it shows.
I did that to you.
Time.
I did that to you.
Yes, you lost somebody that when you was watching the movie with us, you was just asking, why is that happening to him? Why is that happening to him?
It's just it. You don't just tell the movie. Anyway, you just have all the questions there.
At least that we know where you got it from.
Guys,
Pardon?
Who is normally asking the question? Bulu.
Bulla.
Yeah, I think so.
But when me and Bulla do it, it's like, he's not asking questions, like,
Guys,
when he's confused,
she is the worst person to watch movie with. She will ask you from the beginning of the movie, what is going to happen next? Am I the writer? Or the author or the director? I'm not there when they are producing this movie. For God's sake.
I'm already upset. I'm going. Bye, guys.
Guys, see you later. Pray for me for you to see me next video.